welcome to VIelikult speaking test today. Could you introduce yourself?
Yes.
Let's go.
My name is Thomas. I am 11 years old. My class is 15. My school name is Tools. In free times, I play soccer with my friends.
Okay, that's good, Tommy. So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chocolate muffins.
Okay, chocolate muffins. What is the first step to make your favorite food?
First, I heat the oven.
What else? Okay, first step. Where is your school bag made?
My school bag made in Vietnam.
Vietnam, right. Now, look at the two pictures right here, Tommy, and
Yes.
please give me 4 differences between them.
Yes.
4 differences.
In the picture is there's the museum. In the picture there's the hospitals. In the picture the umbrella is closed. Then in the picture B, the umbrella is open. Then in the picture there's a violin. In the picture B, there's a drum. There in the picture A, the 2 girls are standing. In the picture B, 2 girls are sitting on the chair.
Very good. Okay, Tommy, next. Look at these pictures right here. Right, I want you to tell the story about a better cake. Now, in the first picture, Daisy and Zoe seems to be sad because they seems like they dropped the cake, which is made by their mother. Right.
Yeah. In the
Start from
picture
you.
2, Daisy is holding the flower. Zoe is taking the bowl, and Mommy is heating the oven.
Okay.
In the picture 3, Daisy is whisking the flowers. Zoe is washing the strawberries. And Mommy is chopping the pineapples.
Very good.
In the picture box
4.
Daisy is taking the flower. Mommy is washing the bowl, and Zoe is cleaning the table.
Okay.
In the picture 5, there are 5 people. They are singing happy birthday song. They are happy.
Okay, thank you, Tommy. That is very good. And now the last part of your speaking test. I want you to talk about your favorite food and how to make it. Okay? Let's go.
In the today I will talk about my favorite food is chocolate muffins. First, I heat the oven. Next, I whisk the egg in the bowl. Add the sugar and milk in a bowl and whisk some more. Add the flour a bowl and mix everything together. Then I stir the chocolate chips in a bowl. After that, I put the chocolate chips in the muffin cups. Finally, I put the muffin cups in the oven for 25 minutes.
Right. Thank you, Tommy. That is very good and that seems very delicious. Thank you for coming today. You did a great job. Now let's say goodbye to our audience.
Bye.